Good afternoon, traders. I greet you all, my subscribers, my students. Today is Saturday, 30th day of August 2025. I'm communicating from the land of the rising sun. If this is the time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I am bringing you technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory or strategy. That's what I use to analyze, trade, and teach forex. Yes, I teach. For those who want to learn from me, if you want to know how I do what I do, how I get markets, always accuracy, most of the time, very correct. I'll teach you. You pay little money. You will see my phone number on the bio. The phone number works on WhatsApp and Telegram. I also have free Telegram channels. You will see them. I also have a um I also have a Signal group, which I opened recently with OctaFX. On that one, you will see a link at the bio to be on uh, my Signal group. You have to open an account with Octa via my link and fund it with $50 or thereabout. The least amount to fund is $20, but I don't recommend $20. $20 is too small. Make it $50, 100, and so on. Then uh, give me a message. Then you join my Signal group. So let's go into the business of the day. I always start with DXY. As you can see, this weekly DXY. My target is just to be made. My target is 94, or let's say 95 to 91 is the weekly target. We may not go deep. You can see the daily target, just a tip of it, and it went up. Maybe it may go deeper, but what matters is that we are still selling DXY. So let me go to daily and 4 hours. Today's analysis is like a continuation of what we have been seeing for a long time now. The market is still selling. Even when this happened, I said we are still selling. So the selling continues. All you're gonna do is to wait for the break of this 97.5. The selling continues. Okay. Then correction is not ruled out. Let me go to 4 hours. We might get a correction either to this zone or even if the correction goes as high as this place, it is still selling. Okay. So don't just jump into sell when market opens. We need to watch what happens around here, whether we will get a big bounce or we will get a correction, another move before selling. But if market turns very fast, once this trend line is broken, this line is broken, then it's time to sell again. The market is selling. No need to waste time talking about it. USD card, the same thing. If you go to daily or weekly, the same situation, we are selling. It's our reversal zone. It's have reversed. So the markets have been going as we expected for a long time. This is another question to answer. I mean, another question for the market to answer. Are we going to get this before this? Or are we going to get this, then this? I cannot tell, but when market opens and begin to move, we will see it. All I can tell you is that USD card is selling wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Maybe the wave 4 may get to all this way. And meanwhile, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3. So can this be wave 4 or this is wave 4? I don't know. Market will explain better when it begins to move. But the market is selling. No second bias. USD chef, the same situation. USD chef. I don't really like what I'm seeing on USD chef. I don't see a sharp move I've been looking for. In any case, that's what we call leading diagonal. So maybe the market is forming leading diagonal. The sharp move like this, I thought we continue from here, something like this. Didn't happen. It keep repeating similar movements. You can see they are all similar. Maybe we may get something like that again. But nevertheless, no reason to buy USD chef for now. Euro USD. Let me go to weekly once more. The market is going up and we are approaching a reversal zone. But right now, not yet reversed. But we're approaching the reversal zone. Daily. So one more push up is what I'm rooting for. One more push up. Okay, so 4 hours. 4 hours. The market is going up. You can see this drop. How far will this drop go? Okay. Did you sell from here? If you sold, fine. But I didn't sell. I don't trade against the trend. Selling it will be trading against the trend. So let me go to 1 hour because this is Euro USD. Many people trade it. So as you can see, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So now, this is the big wave 1. So wave 2 can be deep. It can come to this place and make an ABC. So be careful. Market can surprise you. You need to learn how to follow the market. You know, I bought. But after this sharp move, I closed my sell. Sorry, my long position, and the dropping begin to drop. If I want to scalp, I will sell, but I don't like to trade against the trend. So I will begin to watch the market if it comes to this zone. The first place to watch is this zone. I will watch what will happen, whether it will give us a sharp move up or correction. Then this zone. So it is buying, but don't just buy blindly. Okay. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, the same thing. Let me go to daily on this one. Daily, you can see we still have a big room to go up. But there's something we have to be mindful of. On this daily, I will only buy when this place is broken. Okay? Because this looks like an A, B, C. If it happens, if you bought it and press stop loss here, you will lose. So I don't like losing carelessly, or those who follow me to lose carelessly. So I will always point to you the safe place to enter if I wish to do so. So I mean this is based on daily time frame anyway. On lower time frame, we may get something different. Okay, so this 4 hour time frame, the bullish market looks set. 1 hour, what do we have on 1 hour? 1 hour is nice. Maybe we check after this drop, how far this drop will happen. Are we going to get the big move A, B, C? That's what I show you on daily. This is the 1 hour version of it. Are we going to get this big drop, or this is wave 1, then wave 2, A, B, C, wave 2. It continues. To me, I think this will happen. A, B, C. Then the buying will continue. It may not be the way I draw it. It may just drop as a single move like this and begin to go up. Okay, but get the setup before you buy. Don't buy blindly. I don't encourage that. AUD USD. AUD USD, last week, I was expecting it to drop to this zone so that I can buy, but it didn't drop. It went up from here. So this one, I don't expect it to drop here anymore. Okay, though it can still drop. Okay, but once this place is broken, once this zone is broken, forget about the dropping. But as of now, it can drop. It can still drop. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours, we can see the market is going up. So this is my projection on this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. Meanwhile, we may get something like this for wave 3, 4, and 5. So the market is bullish. That's what I'm trying to say. Using the USD is equally bullish. Okay. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is still forming. But this is what I'm looking at. Wave 1, A, B, C. Wave 2, wave 3 is still forming. But if you get a sharp move down, then we need to go to daily to know what is happening. But I would advise you to allow this to break this channel before you buy. I don't analyze this. Let me leave this alone. Euro JPY. Let me go to weekly. It have Euro JPY have gotten to my reversal zone on weekly and have shown signs of reversal. This candle is sign of reversal. So right now, what is happening here? After that, we may get another move up. I don't know. But if once it goes below this place, below 169.7 or thereabout, then this sharp drop, this move is what I'll be hoping for. This big move. So below 169.7, we will likely go below 150. Okay, so that's weekly. Daily selling have not yet confirmed. Okay, because this looks like this can equally be an A, B, C. Then it will go up again. Okay, but once the market begin to give us confirmation, then the fear will go out. But meanwhile, I'm looking for a drop. The drop may not be impulse. It may be as a sign of A, B, C. Okay, for now, let's watch what is happening at this triangle. This is a triangle. It can be A, B, C, D, E. Then with X. Sorry, A, B, C. With W, yes, with X, Y. Then the big drop. So for now, I don't want to be ahead of the market. I like to trade what market gives me. But from my experience, I used to forecast to guess what will happen. After the guess, I don't just presume and trade. I wait to see whether the market is trying to do what I thought it will do before I jump into trading. USD I'm looking for a sell, a drop towards this zone, towards 145, 144, thereabout. Is what I'm expecting. Let me show you daily. Daily seems to be completed. A, B, C. You know, when this happened, I think maybe we will not get up to this again, but it's turned to complete the pattern I was expecting to complete. Now it has completed the pattern. I'm expecting it to drop below this place. So we may see it below 140 by next month. So let's keep watching the setup it will give us. Meanwhile, let me see 1 hour. 1 hour, the market seems to have started to sell. Okay, it is selling already. Unless market opens and we see a sharp move up. If not, it is selling already. You join the sellers. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. The weekly. Two things we expect on the weekly. Either A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. So daily, I am still looking for one push up. Let me show you. I'm still looking for one push up towards this trend line. One more push up is what I'm looking for on pounds JPY. Are we going to get it? I don't know. Sometimes you can make a nice analysis, a market will do otherwise. That's why it is good to always wait. Be patient to confirm that the market is doing what you forecast that it will do before you jump in. Because if you jump in based on maybe it has always been like that. When you see this, you know this will happen. You will be losing and you may blow your account before you know it. So now, the best thing to do is to allow the market to uh, break this place. Allow it to break this place, then you buy. Okay, this is buy stop. So buy above this place, unless you have the skill, the knowledge. You can even come down to 15 minutes and look for buy. Okay, that I will teach you here because there's no time to do that. But if you join my mentorship channel, I will teach you how to buy the market from almost at the reversal point without waiting for the confirmation. You can buy it with 15 minutes time frame. But if you don't have the skill and you don't want to learn, to avoid losing your money, allow it to break this place. Then you buy. Gold. Gold is like a free gift given to everybody. For the past 2 weeks, I kept saying, find your entry and buy gold. Find your entry and buy gold. That gold have completed its correction. It's no rocket science. It's now buying. Nothing more again. All I can tell you is that if you haven't bought gold, go to 1 hour, look for correction from here to here. You join the buyers. Silver, the same thing. Silver was the first to peak a speed up going up 2 weeks ago. And I know that gold will follow. Silver is now buying, it has broken the last high. So for long, I haven't gone to weekly on silver. So what do you have on silver? On weekly? Maybe silver might be on its way to give us a new high. The last time silver make a high is 50. How much is on $50? And that was, let me check the date if I can get it correctly. Last time silver went so high was around 2011. 2011 towards May, and it was $50 or 49.9. So right, maybe we are going to break it this time around. But just let's keep watching and following the market. Enter when you have a good reason to enter. Don't just enter because I said it's going up. Okay? Go down to 1 hour and look for buy opportunity. Silver is still buying. Uh, platinum. Platinum seems it doesn't have the knowledge to follow silver and gold this time around. So platinum, I'm looking for platinum to make another drop because this looks like an ABC, a bigger ABC. You can see we are getting a smaller ABC from here. I guess like this is like an ABC again, A, B, C. So this one we feel another big drop. So that's it. US oil is one of my favorites, but for long I haven't traded oil because I missed this trade. I don't like to jump into the market when I miss the right buying place. I missed the last the most favorable entry zone. I failed to I missed selling from here, so I have to be patient to watch to know if I will get this again. When it got to this place, I didn't sell because I have my suspicion that we may get a better price. So right now, it seems we are going to get this. So I will be glad if oil comes to this zone. That is between 66.1 to 68.4. Is where I'm looking for oil. If it comes to this place, I will sell again because oil seems to be going down to 50s or even below 50. Let me even check it weekly. For long, I haven't got to weekly on oil. Okay. Remember last year, I said that oil is going to 50 or below. That's when I made this projection, but it dropped to 55 and give us a correction. So right now, we may get below 60, at least for now, or maybe below 50, I don't know. But I know oil is still dropping. Okay. You go to 4 hours and 1 hour and keep checking for setup. US 100, NASDAQ. It seems this time around it will give us a proper correction because for long we haven't seen a proper correction on NASDAQ and under other indices. This is how proper correction looks like. Something like this, that's what I see as proper correction. Not all this single drop, and continuation. So you may get to this. If I get this ABC, I'll be glad. A, B, C. So let's watch out to know whether we are going to see that. You know, when I say proper correction, this is a correction, but not a proper one. It's just a pullback. Correction is always something like this. Okay, so let's hope whether we will get it this time around. Then the buying will be sweet. Okay, SP 500 have refused to drop. So I keep watching to know whether it will get there. I'll see it drop. We'll start. We'll start. Are we going to get another drop? Or are we going to, will it keep buying? Okay. Watch for a bounce on the trend line again. You can see it has been bouncing on the trend line. 1, 2, 3. Maybe again it will bounce again and keep going up. So let's keep watching. DAX, not on my list. DAO, not on my list. Okay, let's go to BTC. BTC and his younger brothers. BTC USD. Hmm. It's time to be careful on BTC. It's time to be careful on BTC. I begin to see the kind of move I don't like. Okay, so I favor BTC on buying. In my opinion, BTC is still buying. But when I begin to see this type of move, I begin to be cautious. For instance, let me give you a little lesson. This is a big candle, a big buy candle. What happened? It continued to buy. It sold. Another big candle. It continued to buy. Sold small. Big candle, big candle, big candle. But right now, watch. This is a big candle buying. So I was thinking, I was looking for something like this. And another big candle. Then, I'll be calling for 130. Remember, for the early this years, I'll be calling for 114 to 120. It's accomplished. Then I begin to call for 130 or thereabout. But I'm seeing the market is more interested in selling for now. So Bitcoin, if you want to follow me on Bitcoin, be neutral this time around until a buy setup is found. For now, no buy setup. This is the 1 hour candlestick. If I see buy setup, I will buy. If not, I am yet to be convinced on the selling. Meanwhile, after this move, and I was looking for it to correct and go up again, it keeps dropping. This is a sell setup, but I didn't take it because I wasn't watching the market that time around. Then we may get another sell setup again, which can be taken, but I don't want to sell Bitcoin now. That's my personal opinion. But if I get a buy setup, I will buy. Okay, so for now, cryptos should wait. They should wait. BTC, sorry, ETHUSD. Ethereum, Ethereum. Ethereum is even stronger than Bitcoin this time around. I don't know what's happening. Ethereum is performing better than Bitcoin. And Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is making a clear pattern. So if Ethereum do this, I would rather buy Ethereum and leave Bitcoin alone. It's being stronger than Bitcoin this time around. Okay, Litecoin. Litecoin, what do we have on Litecoin? Litecoin is as weak as BTC. Okay, so maybe it tries to give us an ABC. Uh, uh, okay, Litecoin, just like Ethereum, I show you, is even the pattern is even better than Bitcoin. So it drop to this place, I will look for buy at this zone. It's more clear than Bitcoin. BNB, USD. BNB is equally stronger than Bitcoin this time around. Bitcoin is always the king, but is now showing weakness. Don't know what is really happening. BNB, if I get this pattern, I will buy again. Okay, just like an ABC pattern. A, B, C. So if BNB drop to 800, 810, 820, I will buy again. But for now, cryptos let's uh let's trade careful on cryptos now. Okay, that's the end of the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Join our Telegram channel. Two of them, they are free. If you want to learn from me, you contact me. You will see my number on the bio. You pay the 2 money. You join my VIP channel, where students and other under premium members are. If you want to join, if you're interested in Signal, open an account with Okta with my link, fund it, and you're good to go.